So basically, when I first got the car, everything worked fine. The previous owner, there were 2 previous owners, no accidents. About 2 weeks later, I started feeling the transmission slipping. And then maybe about a month and a half later, when I'm driving, the car would not want to switch into another gear like it should. So I started trying to troubleshoot the issue. And basically one of the first things that I came across was the main relay. It's literally an issue, I believe, between the 1990 and 93 Hondas. Okay, that's what it looks like there, like where that's located, how to get to it, things like that. But that's basically what the main relay looks like. You just kind of plug it in. There is a metal box covering it, or it might be in the way. You have to move that out of the way, get to that, unplug it to install it. Another thing, so if the car does not start really quickly, car doesn't start, and you don't know why, what you want to do is turn the car to the on position. Just check and see if the fuel pump is working. You'll hear a little hissing sound. If the fuel pump's working, go back underneath the hood. Before you install it, what you want to do is see these 2 cables right here, negative and positive. You want to unhook those. I made the mistake of not unhooking those 2 cables. And then see this 10 amp fuse right there? So disconnect these 2 battery cables right here, the negative and the positive. Then what you want to do is check this fuse here. This fuse, this 10 amp fuse. I fixed everything, and this 10 amp fuse right here controls the fuel pump, and it blew. And I couldn't start my vehicle. Basically that fuse blew, and then I had everything fixed, went to start the car, and nothing. And then I didn't think to check the fuse, so I took everything back apart, spent extra hours doing it. Don't do that, just go check that fuse right away. If that works, the vehicle starts. So now, vehicle starts, and car doesn't shift properly. What we want to do is we're going to look for the main relay underneath the dashboard. So after you replace the main relay, if the car still does not shift, there's a computer underneath the passenger seat. I had to take my car into a transmission specialist. I didn't even know there was a computer under the passenger seat. This is the powertrain control module, or better known as the PCM. Basically, this is the primary computer that controls the operating of the engine, transmission emissions control system, starting system, and charging system. I was told that the computer of the vehicle is underneath the passenger seat. I have already replaced the main relay. Talks to the computer, transmission, helps to switch the gears, does a couple other things as well. The D4 light was blinking. Basically, when I went to get in the car to start it up, it started and everything, D4 light blinking. After everything was said and done, I needed to take the vehicle in to the shop. They identified the problem and the computer needed to be replaced. This is the documentation that I did not include before. So when they diagnosed the issue from the transmission shop, it was determined that it was the computer of the vehicle that was bad. So that computer is located underneath the passenger seat of the car. So if you're having issues with the transmission shifting properly, it could either be the main relay or underneath the passenger seat, there's a computer that controls all of that stuff as well, as far as the computer talking to the transmission, shifting properly, and all of that stuff. So one of the reasons why that could go bad is because it's underneath the seat. There's condensation that builds up over time, and it's probably not insulated as good as the newer cars are these days. So that's an issue that you guys can double check.
It's right here. See that resistor is blown up?
Okay.
Yeah.
That's all.
Yeah, that's actually...
It looks like the capacitors might be leaking too. Starting to leak this like black residue down here.
Okay, and I hope this quick video helped. Please hit that notification button so you can see some videos that I have coming up. And the same day that you got this end, you fixed it. I mean, you're like, that's crazy.
Yeah.
So I appreciate everything. That's all I really wanted. I just wanted to add in a little tidbit of where I got the car fixed, and then that's it. I appreciate it. This thing, oh my God, this is shifting so nice. See that on the dash? Yeah, this place